Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again to my natural studio. So we can speak English in our area because what people will say that's why you are very shameful and you are very shy full person, and you think if I speak in my house, if I speak in my area, the people will say what people will say. That's why you are very thinking, right? And without thinking you can do that. Without thinking you can speak English fluently in your area. At the first time when you speak, when you try to speak front of your father, front of your mother, front of your family, that time you will be very shameful person and you will be very afraid. That time afraid, you can't speak fluently, you can say the single sentence at the first time. But when you will make your habit to speak English, to practice English, your father and your mother and your family will not say something. But at the first time when you will speak, when you will say something, your father will say that, what are you learning? So don't learn that. Your mother will say that, what are you learning? Don't learn that. It's not our language. You don't have to learn that. It's very useless language. So you don't have to learn that. You'll get so many comments like that. You'll get so many comments from your father, mother, from your family, from your friends. Okay, it's available. At the first time you will get some criticize from other person. But when you will speak fluently, when you can speak fluently, when you can talk with other person easily in English, that time all the people, negative people will be positive, and they will say that, yeah, you can do it. So it's possible for you. So you can do it. You can teach my person. You can teach my children. You can teach my brother. It's very good for my brother, good for my sister if you teach my brother and sister. This is my experience. When I was learning at the first time, I got so many criticize from other person. They told me, so you don't have to learn. You can't learn because it's in our country in Bangladesh. The people all time they're saying Bengali language. How you will learn English? And they said that English is not good. It's not good. The language is not good. So if you think, yeah brother, this class was little bit helpful for me, I always say that, right? I have to say that always because I make YouTube video. And if you think it was little bit helpful for me, so never forget to subscribe and leave your valuable comment in comment section. So I'll see you very soon with another video, with another topic, with another jobless question, another basic word, another linking word. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.